Hello everyone, my name is Glenn Rivera and I'm the Director of Continued Education for Market Traders Institute. I'd like to take the opportunity to welcome you to our Forex How-To series. Market Traders Institute is the oldest and most trusted Forex educational institution in the world, and we're more than happy to share with you some of the knowledge that we've gained since we opened our doors in 1994. Let's talk about trends and trend lines.
One of the most important factors in identifying a trading opportunity is first and foremost identifying the trend. As the old saying goes, the trend is your friend until it bends. Now, when you understand how to identify trending markets, you can then start to incorporate what are known as trend lines. Now, what trend lines do is they not only tell you which direction you should be looking to trade, whether you are going to be buying or selling, in the case that you are in the buy zone or the sell zone, but they also let you know when not to trade. Now, for example, if you knew when to trade, and if you knew how to draw trend lines, you would have known that right here on this particular currency, at this point in time, we were trending bearish, or the market was making lower lows and lower highs. So when you were monitoring the market here, and let's take a look at these dates. This is 4/14 to 4/15. By this period of time, a one-day period, you were already aware in which direction the market was trending. So all the way to the 18th, for the next 3 days, you would have known, because you drew your trend lines properly, that the market was making lower lows and lower highs. So throughout this period, you would be looking to sell the market. Now, it is so important to understand how to draw trend lines, because if you draw an incorrect trend line, you may find yourself buying when you should be selling, or selling when you should be buying. In this particular move here, if you knew what you were doing and you plotted your trend lines correctly, you had an opportunity to capitalize on 168 pips worth of movement to the south. Now, conversely, as the market starts to switch its trend, if you know how to draw your trend lines, you can then take advantage of that market movement that takes place in the opposite direction. Now, by adjusting your trend lines and constantly keeping track of the trend, you can then take advantage of movements in the bullish direction when the market stops making lower lows and lower highs and starts making higher highs and higher lows in line with an uptrend. So from here, from the beginning of this trend, you had an opportunity to capture as much as another 180 pips. So by simply identifying trend lines, knowing where to plot them and how to plot them, you can take advantage as the market switches from a downtrend to an uptrend, or vice versa.
If you would like to learn more about trend lines and other strategies, contact us toll-free at MTI 1-800-866-7431. Happy trading.